So when is the Find the Difference CD coming out? Because I got the promo, I'm waiting for the next one, come on.
Pepsi sucks. Drink the real stuff. Coca-Cola. The, like, official drink of Rooster or something.
Can't play this thing without a guitar pad.
It's good. It's strong. But it's good. And it's really good at holding up webcams, too. Yes. I can't do it. I can't take this anymore.
If you're gonna drink your Coke, you gotta do it right. Watch. Open the Coke. So, close Coke. So that its print is down. See? See? Now, drink Coke. It's carbonated. Then Bob. Oh, yeah.
I think I can do that.
See how good you can do.
How many do you think I can do in a row?
2.
Okay, hold on.
3 maybe.
Hold on, finish the Coke. I don't know, man. I'm going for 5. Oh, my eyes. Okay, ready?
Yeah, if I'm ready.
Once I get started, there's no stopping me. Oh, damn my shirt. Okay, here we go.
Coke!
Hold on. You're gonna miss my ultimate burping extravaganza.
Yeah, well,
Alright, here we go. Oh, I only did 3. It couldn't hurt. Hold on. Wait. Wow, this is hard. Oh. I can't do more than 2. Damn you, Pepsi.
Watch. That's 1. See, you gotta inhale through your nose as you swallow with this, which gives you lots of bubbles.
I think I did 4 or 5.
That's how you win a contest. Nice head. Ooh, baby.
One of the unfortunate side effects of drinking Coke and burping is this long ass saliva that like never stops ever. Oh, gross.
Hey, you buck too.
Man.
All these things is like...
It's on screen TV. If he drops the ball, you're as good as your last hit. Find the next big thing. If he doesn't bring the bling, his phone won't ring. What's the trend? What's new? What's a label scout to do? Office Life Party, 1132. Label press calls and yells.
Sign more emo.
How about Screamo?
If it sells, sign Nemo. We're down 2%, and BMG knows my daughter likes this. Won't you get me one of
He
those?
checks APNet, the scout, and more. The only band names to his assistant through the door. The kids are like this. Who cares if it's great? So he signs a fan. Call parts that hate.
Marty, we've got a hit!
I wonder if you'll be able to hear the lyrics.
let you die. Marty goes to the show. Here we go. Marty sees a girl in a simple plain shirt with a sunny sail point. That'll never work. He finds his little friends in the corner. They huddle. An emo cattle auction. They penetrate the bottle.
It's like a weird music video.
TBS. Dissing the same bands. They just try to impress. So the lights go down. The crowd starts to scream. Hearts that hate have hit the scene. Great on vocals and lead guitar. He does a backflip. Look how different we are. They show up at the studio to record hit. A TRL Billboard modern rock hit. The auto-tune break, but he can't tell. He says, I've got perfect pitch. They must sing well. Pro Tools, Logic, cut, copy, paste. Quantized solos in quantized bass. Signed, sealed, delivered and sent across the U.S. and the single went. In your hands, I won't let you. Momentum builds, but it all caves in. Industrial comes back, the Prez needs an in. Marty finds a band called Fetal Coil, and hearts that hate try to keep their fans loyal. They rework this sound for album number 2 as machines of hate, but their career is through. They break up and work pushing mops and broom. Blake gives guitar lessons in his living room. Blake gives guitar lessons in his living room. Blake gives guitar lessons in his living room.
Can you take me track 5, Mr. Blake?
Hey, I wrote that song and it goes like this. My hands around your hands, I won't let you die tonight. My heart's in your hands, I won't let you die. Die. My hands in your hands. Die! Die! I won't let you die!
Oh yeah, this is gonna take a lot of editing.
Yeah.